Good morning. It is day 2 of my vlogging in London. I'm in a really posh part of town right now. It's a beautiful freaking day. Look at the sky. It's so blue. So blue. Yeah, and I have a lot planned. I will vlog again after the meeting. Good morning. Good morning. Now I'm waiting for the bus, and my original plan was to go to church first, but I don't want to be too late. I wanted to actually get there early so we can get a good spot and just like have the full, experience. I don't want to half blanket, so I'm going to go to Abbey Road first, where the Beatles crossed. Try to have someone take a picture of me. I'm gonna probably take off my jacket so I can see my OGCJ shirt, and then I'm gonna go to church. And then from there I'll have a little bit of time before I head to Harry Potter. Yeah, that's what's happening. I'll show you where I am. Road, I'm coming for you right now. All these people. I learned my lesson. I'm never crossing until I see that little thing turn green. Oh, look at all the women. I'm officially part of the pack. They don't even know it. But I am. Just around the bend.
Welcome to Abbey Road. Here's
Thank
the crossing
you.
with the shop and
Thank you,
museum.
sir.
It's free around the corner.
Awesome. Thank you so much.
Enjoy yourselves.
Abbey Road. It's much smaller than I would have thought. Sorry guys, I can't help it, okay? Here is Abbey Road. Abbey Road. I just tried phoning my I just want to talk British. Telephoning my dad. Phoning my father because he loves Abbey Road and I wanted him to cross it with me. So I'll FaceTime him after. I'm gonna go to the museum. Maybe I can buy him something cool. But first we're gonna cross it together. Ready? Oh, let's do it. The studios, which they recorded at. I want to know what everyone's waiting for, so I'm going to ask them. They're going to do some choir recording. Good for them. That wonderful group of women that I follow. Cool. It's such an awesome store. I got a little something. The guy was so nice, Roger. And now I'm gonna go to the train and then go to church. Go by the church, and then at least I think I need to grab a snack. So I'm gonna do that, and then after church maybe I'll grab a coffee. And yeah, okay. So it's 12:50. I'm making great time. The theater for Hillsong is down the street. But since I have 20 minutes, I'm trying to look for something I can grab a really fast bite and also use the restroom. 'cause it's so uncomfortable, you know, while you're eating and you have to pee. Like, I'd rather, you know, not do that, so. Okay. As per usual, I was going the wrong way. Literally, here's the train station. The Dominion Theater is right across the street. And I went down there because I was rerouting from yesterday. So it's all good though. I still made it here with 7 minutes to spare, and I ate. Look at the irony. Bat out of hell. No signs right above it. Oh, yeah. Hillsong was amazing. Long, but good. I haven't been to church in a while, so needed to be there. The music was great. The word was, oh, you know, it's always good. So after that, I went to this. It was kind of like UK Whole Foods. It's called Organic something. I ate, which I probably shouldn't have because I didn't even feel great to begin with, and now I don't feel good at all, to be honest. And then I just got a cappuccino because energy. Look what I just found, you guys. The first ever YMCA. How cool is that? You know? Just finding all these cool things today. But I'm so excited for Harry Potter. I'm in Euston Square, which is apparently a huge train station. So now I have to figure out where to go. But at least I put money on my oysters, so I should be good no matter where I go. We'll see. I took my first above ground train. It was great. This lady was super helpful because I wanted to double check where it was going. Now I'm kind of following this family. Unbeknownst to them, they're from Georgia, so you know, we're like already neighbors. So yeah, I just got off the train now. I gotta take the bus to the studios. There's the bus. Take me to Harry Potter. I just had to get cash because that's what the bus takes. Cash only. $2.50. So I got my money. I got my 20 pounds, which really cost me $27. Yeah. I'm about to come find you, Harry Potter. Harry Potter, yeah. I just got my ticket for Harry Potter. I got two, even though it's only one me. And I'm excited. Harry Potter. And it's just in time. I have 1 minute. This is so cool. So this is where they like, oh, Harry Potter. Oh my god. I'm such a dork. I cannot even deal with myself. Yes, let's go. Waiting in line. I'm gonna cry. The green hall. Oh my god. Thank you.
They're like spice syrup. They're actually concrete puddings, and the ivy on the top of it is actually made out of steel. Wonderful. Thank you very much, sir.
I caved and I got the audio headset, so I know more of what's going on. This is so freaking cool, you guys.
Every attention to detail is taken throughout.
All these props.
but something to be encouraged.
We're friends. Now we're in the forest. I have 15% battery left, so I'm gonna try to use it sparingly. We're going to Hogwarts Express, y'all. Ready? Hello, Prince. Hogwarts Express. Bye, buddy.
Never turn down the opportunity.
Diagon Alley.
Even photograph paintings that helped bring the world of Harry Potter to visual life. Just ahead, you'll see a fraction of their work up close, along with a really special surprise. And when you do, I'm sure you'll agree that these artists are truly magical.
Not gonna lie, when I saw this, I started to cry. It's just magic. It's just magic. I cannot be happier. That was such a great experience. There were so many things to learn and see and take in. But I'm so happy. It was amazing. And it's just different than Universal, you know? Because it's like this is actually where they were acting, and it's I really have no words, except for I hope everyone comes and sees this.